In this tutorial, I will teach you 5 things that serene people do to find balance in their life. Serenity is something that is not always accessible, and yet we seem to crave it in our life. I've looked at what serene people appear to all have in common and will share 5 things that can help you access balance in your life. Have no expectations. Serene people tend to be serene because they don't nourish expectations about life or how their day should go. Peaceful people have the habit of going with the flow and live in the present moment. When you don't have an expectation, it's very hard not to meet them, and therefore, you don't lose balance in life because you're not trying to be on one side of the spectrum, or the balance. Assess where you hold many expectations and attempt to reduce them so that you can live in the moment. Develop a healthier response to stress. Stress is experienced when we don't feel like we can meet expectations. As you reduce your expectations, you also learn to develop a healthier response to stress, which is not to put extra weight on your shoulder. There's no point in worrying about something. It doesn't make you more efficient to worry and stress about expectations not being met. Instead of perceiving stress as a time where you lack abilities, perceive stress as a time where you need to step back, take a deep breath, and tell yourself that everything will be okay. Limit distractions. Distraction is another word for a waste of your energy. We only get so much energy in a day, and then recharge during sleep. Pay attention to where you spend your energy, because once it is spent, you don't get more, unless you sleep. Serene people can find a balance between giving energy to things and people they love and giving space for them to recharge their batteries. Make sure that you are not off balance with providing too much and not allowing space and energy to receive. You can start limiting your distractions by spending less time where you feel it's a waste of your energy. In essence, social media or complaining about work. Make choices that will allow you to spend your energy in places that are important to you. Know themselves. Serene people have found peace within. To find peace within, you have to learn to know yourself. Take time to spend quality time with yourself, like meditating, journaling, nurturing your body through self-care, or even enjoying a delicious and healthy meal by yourself. Find things that you love to do and do it with yourself. Find ways to enjoy your company and mostly discover your authentic self. The more you will find peace within, the more you will see your life becoming serene and balanced. Feel gratitude. Gratitude is the act of recognizing the good around us and in our life. Serene people are grateful for what they experience, for the people around them, and for who they are. Start your gratitude journey by writing down daily what you are grateful for. You can focus on external aspects, but try to add some elements of you that you are thankful for. It is often easier to recognize others, but it's even more vital for you to be able to identify the good in you. This will allow you to be more confident and increase your self-esteem. Research shows that serene people are more confident than others.